திருக்கோளூர் பெண் பிள்ளை 61st statement, அவன் வேண்டாம் என்றேனோ ஆழ்வானைப் போலே. In this statement, she refers Kurathazhvan. Kurathazhvan was one of the chief disciples of Ramanuja. And Kurathazhvan was born in a village called Kuram, which is near Kanchipuram. And Kurathazhvan was born 8 years before the birth of Avataram of Ramanuja. Kurathazhvan was born in a very affluent family, and the family was known for charity work. Ramanuja took up sannyasa and he left Kanchipuram and he was moving towards Srirangam. Kurathazhvan, when he came to know about this, he wanted to give up his wealth and join Ramanuja as his disciple, and he already met him at Kanchipuram and got permission to join him as disciple. So he left Kuram without taking even a bit of valuables, and he left with his wife for Thiruvarangam and joined his Acharyan Ramanuja at Thiruvarangam, and he stayed there and did Kainkariam to his Acharyan. And Kurathazhvan was known for his good qualities. Thiruvarangatthamadanar, he says, மொழியை கடக்கும் பெரும்புகழான் வஞ்ச முக்குறும்பாம் குழியை கடக்கும் நம் Kurathazhvan. He sings in praise of Kurathazhvan in this Pasuram, in this verse. When Ramanuja and Kurathazhvan were in Srirangam, the king, Kirimikonda Cholan, he was a great Shaivite and he wanted Sri Vaishnavism not to spread. So he started troubling Sri Vaishnavites, and there was a Sri Vaishnava Naluran with king. He gave the suggestion that the king should get in writing from the religious leaders like Ramanuja that Lord Shiva is the supreme God. So the king, as per his advice, he sent his people to Kurathazhvan's place, Ramanuja's place, and when these men came to the residence of Ramanuja, Kurathazhvan, he came to know about it, so he requested Ramanuja to leave Srirangam for his safety, and he said, you are very important for Sri Vaishnava Sampradayam, and there are so many things you have to do for of this Sampradayam, and your life is very important for every one of us, so you please leave this place. This was a request made by Kurathazhvan, and Kurathazhvan, he wore that sannyasi dress of Ramanuja, and Ramanuja was in white dress, and he left Srirangam with some of the disciples. And here, when the king's men, when they came here, they found Kurathazhvan, that is, they thought Kurathazhvan as Ramanuja, so they took Kurathazhvan to the palace. And Perinambi was also there, so they took Perinambi also with Kurathazhvan to the palace, and the king forced Kurathazhvan to write, because king also thought that he was Ramanuja, and forced him to write and give that Lord Shiva as the supreme God. Shivat Parataram Nasti. But Kurathazhvan, he explained why he is saying Sriman Narayanane Paratattvam. But the king did not, because he was quoting from Vedas, Upanishads, but king was not ready to listen, and he got angry, and he ordered the people to, his men, to remove eyes of Perinambi and Kurathazhvan. And Kurathazhvan said, you are a great sinner, and these eyes have seen you, so I don't want these eyes. Let me pluck out my eyes by myself. Then he did it with his nails. Then they were sent to the border area of the kingdom. Periyanambi attained the lotus feet of God before he reached Thiruvarangam. One day Kurathalvan went back to Thiruvarangam and he was living there for some time. And one day when he went to the temple to have darshan of Namperumal, he was stopped by the peon. And the peon said that the king ordered not to allow the people who are connected to Ramanuja inside the temple. The people who all assembled there, they all recommended Kurathalvan for his good qualities. They all said he is full of sattvic guna, he is very kind-hearted, he is very soft-spoken, and he is filled with Atma guna. You please allow him inside for his qualities, for his good qualities. But Kurathalvan felt very uncomfortable and he very firmly said, if my qualities are recommended for the darshan, I don't want to enter the temple. I'm very firm in saying that yes, I am connected to Ramanuja, he is my Acharyan. Only by saying this, I want to enter the temple. So, I am not entering. If you are not allowing me because I am connected to Ramanuja, then I am not entering. I don't want myself to be recommended for my qualities. So he went back. He did not have darshan on that day. He left Srirangam and he was living in Tirumalarunjolai for some time. So this was referred by Tirukkolur Penpillai. She was praising Kurathalvan, how strong he was in his decision that he should not enter the temple with the recommendation of his own qualities. He should enter only with the connection of his Acharyan. So she was telling Ramanuja, I didn't have that kind of vairagya towards Acharyan. If I had, I would not have decided to leave this place. And she was revealing all this to Ramanuja, who was a Acharyan of Kurathalvan. So under this situation, she said, Avan vendam endreno Alvane pole. Because Kurathalvan said, no, I don't want God. I don't want to enter the temples. That is what referred by Avan vendam. He said no to God because he was refused as he was connected to Ramanuja. So he was so devoted to his Acharya and he was ready to say no to God. So that was referred by Tirukkolur Penpillai in this statement.